Hello. Do you have guilt for letting go of things that you purchased or someone gave you or you've never used, etc.? Today, we're not going to just let go of our things. We're going to let go of our guilt. So today, I want you to practice letting go of your guilt. There is no guilt. These things don't fit you. You don't like them. You don't use them. You don't need them. And you only have so much room in your house. The guilt would be to keep those things because you don't have room in your house. This is the house you have right now, or apartment, or condominium. This is the house, and these are the places you have to put things. And those things are designed to be used by you that are stored in those places. So today, when you're decluttering, I want you to get rid of something if it doesn't fit the plan. You don't like it, you don't use it, you haven't seen it in years, you don't know who it came from, or you remember very well who it came from, but you don't like it. It needs to be let it go. You spent a lot of money on it. Oh, I feel so guilty. I spent so much money on this. My husband told me not to buy it, and I did, and I've never, ever used it. You know what? That day is long gone. Put it in the giveaway. Take it to the car. Don't leave those things in a bag in the garage or in the living room underfoot. Put them in a box and put them in the back of your car. So on errand day, you can drop it off and get rid of it. Unload it. That's it. Have a great day.